Hello, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing how to make this chocolate ganache. It's a very easy one. Just get your chocolate bar, pieces it anyhow you can with your knife or anything, and you place on a heat. Yes, just use your pot, put water, and you use another bowl. Put all the chocolate, place it. All you need is just the vapor, the heat coming from the boiling water to help you melt this chocolate to a beautiful chocolate ganache. You can see how it's looking, so lovely. Just take your time to make sure everything is well mixed. When it's well mixed, take your time to allow it to cool out. You have to stir it a bit. If it's a bit running, stir it, turn it till you feel as if it's getting thicker. If you feel as if it's getting thicker, you will start putting it on your cake. At this time, allow it to cool out a bit while you trim your cake. Before you finish trimming your cake, you will notice that running chocolate is now looking thicker. You can see like pap. Pour on your cake and you go round and you get this beautiful ganache. Just look at it. You can use it and cover your fondant. You can cover your fondant on it. You can also cover your buttercream on top of it. This is just like a way of saving all the crumbs of your cake inside, giving your cake a beautiful taste and finishing when eaten. This is a lovely one. I hope you love this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. I love you all. See you in my next video. You can see the final outcome as the cake is being shared. Look at that beauty, looking lovely. When you taste it, you'll feel chocolate. Bye.